Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the epic studded dolphin in Fish It Roblox. So this studded dolphin is a highly desirable epic catch in Fish It. So here I'm going to show you how you can find the dolphin and the location and also the bait that I use, also the road. So first, for the rod, I'm using the Steampunk rod in here to catch the dolphin, and for the bait that I use, I'm using the Chroma bait in here with 100% luck. And for the fishing spot, you can just first go to the classic island and climb up the stairs and go up again in here. Then just turn right here and go to this place right here. You can just go into the water like this, and you'll see these are, I can just spot, this is the fishing spot, so you can just fish from here to catch the dolphin. So guys, that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.